Hi, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A80 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, select the system, here tap on languages and input, then select virtual keyboard, now select Gboard, and tap on languages. As you can see, we have English language right here, and to change the language, tap on add keyboard. Here we have list of languages we can apply. Find the language you like to use and tap on it. For example, I'm gonna tap on Arabic. Now select the region, for example, Egypt. And here we can select the keyboard layout, or multiple if you like to. Then tap done. As you can see, now we have two languages. We have English and Arabic. To make the Arabic default, we can remove English language. To do it, tap on this edit icon right here in the top left corner, select English language, and tap on bin icon to remove it. And now when we go to something we can write in, for example, let's open the Google. You can see that the keyboard is in Arabic. We can also have multiple languages applied, and we can toggle between them. To do it, let's go back to the settings. Here, let's add English keyboard back, like this. Now let's go back to something we can write in. The keyboard is in Arabic, but we can press and hold on spacebar, and this list should open. And here we can select, for example, English, like that. Or we can also switch languages by tapping on this globe icon next to spacebar, and you can just tap on it to toggle between the languages like this. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.